We're on Texas time. Don't ever expect a Texan to be on time, number one.
In my previous video, I took 2 days to ride from Dallas-Fort Worth to Jackson, Mississippi, and then the second day on to Gadsden, Alabama. Well, we have another group of Goldwingers from the Dallas-Fort Worth area that rode the entire way from Dallas to Gadsden, about 700 miles, and they pulled in about 8:30 at night. Leading the pack is Robert White, followed by Tony Mitchell. Behind Tony is Jody on his bagger model, and then in last place, at least tonight, is Steve. I have to say, these guys looked a little whipped by the time they got in, and they were ready to put these bikes up and get a good night's rest. We'll see you in the morning. Okay, day 3, we are on our way from, where are we? Gadsden, Alabama. On our way to Southern Honda Powersports in East Ridge, Tennessee.
Which part of me thinks you did that on purpose?
Well, you know, he likes to lag way behind. And then Steve.
I can hear everybody fine.
Yeah, I can hear everybody.
Can too.
It was funny, Chris. Yesterday we came upon 3 Harleys on the road, and Tony forgot we were on open mesh. He was about to do some trash talking.
Yeah, well, you know, we love our Harley brothers.
Yeah, rev that engine. That's all you got, Harley. I don't think I've had such a good-looking bike leading the pack in a long time.
It's a shame he doesn't.
Well, you know, I'm the one that's the cop. Got him. You be safe.
It's a shame he doesn't have any lights on it.
That's exactly right. Exactly right.
Are we supposed to be going south? Took a couple of miles on Highway 11 south before Tony realized he had turned left instead of right. We needed to be going north so that we could get to Chattanooga. Hey Tony, are we supposed to be going south? Can anybody hear me? I'm not sure we're supposed to be on 11 south. I thought we'd be on 11 north. So it turns out we went the wrong way on Highway 11. We were going south and we needed to be going north. But now we've turned around and we're headed north, which is the correct way back to Chattanooga.
today on the way home, or on the way here rather. We were talking about gas mileage, and Tony consistently got worse than me by about 10 miles a tank.
Wow.
When my range would say 90, his range would say 80 consistently. And he said, well, I am carrying 10 more pounds because I'm carrying, I have an airbag, Mom.
I thought you were going to say you're carrying an extra 20 pounds around your waist.
No, I mean that way. Oh, hello, pretty church. Oh, I love church. Oh, and, all right.
Look at that old Gray Pet sign back there on the
Yes.
building. Talk about good picture, and the sun's in the perfect place.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes, thank you for that. One of the best retirement cards I ever saw said, "Fucking quitter." I mean, happy retirement. Pastor Tony, pardon my French. You cut in at the wrong time.
Oh, that's okay. I speak French.
Y'all got to step it up to keep up with Master Tony up there.
No kidding.
It's a day at work, any day of the week.
What is that word you keep using?
I know, I'm going to have to look it up for you guys. Construction. Imagine that.
We don't have that in Texas.
You know Mac's going to be giving us a load of crap when we get there.
That was going to happen anyway.
People pick it up.
Nah, they're like Texas. They slow down on an entrance ramp.
Yeah, ain't that smart. All right, we got to get over, guys.
Before long, we were pulling into the driveway at Southern Honda Powersports in East Ridge, Tennessee. Now, we're here the day before Goldwings and Glizzies, so make sure you watch my next video where I show you all about the event and some of the great people we got to meet. Thanks for joining me. If you like this video, do me a favor, please give it a thumbs up. It's much appreciated. It really helps the channel.
on Texas time. Don't ever expect a Texan to be on time, number one.